Hello, today I'm going to change the wheel sensor on a 2003 Ford F-150. So we got the sensor, goes up to that clip, up to that clip, and then we'll disconnect it on top underneath the master cylinder. Wire connector is right here. Just pushing this tab right here. With a screwdriver, push it down, and then it'll pull right out. You'll be able to pull it right out. Then we're going to go down and disconnect this from underneath. Disconnect it right there. Just pry it off with a screwdriver. Disconnected. Now we're just going to disconnect it right here. So this one, you got to take your screwdriver behind. There's a tab. You'll just push. Connectors there. Tab. You'll push down. You gotta see. All right. We'll push down on the tab. Take it off. There we go. Now, last thing to take off is the wheel sensor 8mm bolt. Right there. Take off the 8mm bolt to remove the wheel sensor. Now I got the 8mm bolt out. Should just wiggle out. There's the old one. Here's a new wheel sensor. Comes with the clips on the wheel sensor. Put the wheel sensor back in. Get the 8mm tighten back up. Just put it over and just clip it together. And you can turn the wheel to the right. If you have a hard time getting that clip on, just clip it from this side. And just snap it right together. You'll route it up. Pushes down. It'll be easier to go on top and just push down. And just bring your wire harness connector back up. Just plug it back in. Plug in your wire harness. And that's all there is to it. Quick, easy fix. I did this whole repair on the ground. Just turn the wheel to the left. Place it without jack stands. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, leave it in the comments below.